At this particular moment, there are not many of us swimming in money. I'm not sure if that sounded like I'm swimming in money myself. Well, I'm not. But recently, I have implemented some things that have made my money stretch more than double than before. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome to another video. My name is Gios Colo and this is MoneyBeat. If you think you are the only one who's always thinking how to earn more money, well, think again. I'm sorry to tell you, but we all want to earn more money. It's not a secret. It is not just you. So you're not as special as you think. Nah, I'm just kidding. Yes, you are. Of course you are. At least for me. There are tips and things that can be done to get additional income, but that's completely another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make the money you already earn stretch and stretch and stretch some more. Number one, eliminate unnecessary expenses. The main reason why we don't have any money by the end of the month is because we spend it on things that are not necessary. It's so easy to spend money on things we want. Day-to-day cravings. A lunch at the mall, a mochaccino at a local coffee shop, a new game for your Nintendo Switch, a new TV for your room. So many things that we would love to have. We are constantly being bombarded by advertising designed so that we have that desire to buy everything. It's hard, I know, but we have to be stronger than that. We can't fall in that trap. You have to use your money in necessities, in the basics. That's why the money we get is not enough, because you don't even realize it and spend everything on things that you didn't need. And ideally, the money that's left should be invested in something that generates more money. The second way to make your money stretch is to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Do it! Just do it! Come on! Number three, do a monthly budget. And this is directly linked to point number one. The best way not to spend too much is to set up a monthly budget. We already know how much we will normally spend each month. The expenses are always the same. We also know what our income is. So at the end of each month, the right thing to do is to put together a budget for the following month. We put our income and all the expenses that we know we are going to have. What it will cost us to survive. Food, electricity, cell phone, gas, and that's it. That is what we are going to spend. Expenses that do not appear in that budget are not negotiable. They can't be done. As easy as that. It is a matter of discipline and conviction to stick to the plan. But the rest of the money is going to be separated and won't be used during that month. Number four, only pay in cash. All these expenses of that budget you already made, they are going to be paid only in cash. Why, you ask? Well, I'm not going to go into detail because I already explained it in another video. You can see it up here if you haven't seen it. But basically, when you use a credit card, you spend much more than when you use cash. Spending in cash is more painful, so it helps you control your expenses. So try to only use cash. You better do it, because I'm watching you. Number five, pay your debts to free your money. With all that money that you're not spending unnecessarily, you will gradually eliminate your debts. This will free up space in your monthly budget, because when you eliminate a debt altogether, what you used to spend on that debt, you will now have completely available for other things. Here, I will leave you a video I made in which I explain a method to get out of debt as soon as possible. And these were 5 tips to make your money stretch. And yes, I'm also counting number 2. That is liking this video and subscribing to this channel, so you might as well just do it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am very excited about the changes and plans I have for this channel. So I hope to see you next week in another video. Thank you.